If you're looking for one of the best ways to protect your 2015 or newer F-150's front carpet from passengers' equipment in all weather conditions, then Weathertech's DigitalFit front floor liners should be at the top of your list. This is perfect for the owner who wants to keep their truck's carpet looking showroom fresh underneath the mats. These liners will provide full protection of the entire front carpet area, even up the sides of the footwells. These are measured and laser cut to ensure an easy and quick fit, so I'll be giving the install, if you can call it that, the softest 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. You could expect it to take less than 15 minutes to get them in your truck. The carpet area in the front footwell takes abuse all year round from weather, equipment, and even friends and family. The Weathertech DigitalFit liner's perfect fit is nice because it won't allow any liquids, dirt, dust, or crumbs to fall out and over the sides and stain or muddy up your carpet. There are also deep imprinted grooves and lines in the top insides of the liner for added grip so your feet won't be slipping around if they get wet from the rain or snow. The liner even extends up the sides and past the pedals of the driver's seat for those accidental drink spills. Everything will collect in the reservoir instead of just spilling out for an easier cleanup. To get this perfect fit, WeatherTech digitally measures the F-150's interior with a laser to ensure perfect fitment when cutting the liners. WeatherTech uses a high-strength patented vinyl that has extremely strong resistance to wear and tear. The underside of the liner also incorporates the factory forward retaining system so the mats don't move around. They are guaranteed to last the life of your truck without cracking or breaking, and WeatherTech backs that with a claim with a lifetime warranty. When it's time to clean, remove the liners and spray them down with some soap and water and let them dry. There are a ton of options in the floor mat category, but I think WeatherTech's DigitalFit liners are going to be one of the best options for total protection. And at a price just north of $125, it's definitely one of the most expensive options for good reason. You get what you pay for, and with here you're getting full protection without any compromises front, back, and the sides. You could save some money if you were to go with a universal floor mat, but they're not designed for your specific model year, and they won't be able to keep your carpeting looking new with the bigger spills. Switching to the install, this is going to be super easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. This is going to take less than 15 minutes once you get them out of the box, and there are no tools required. Your first step is going to be to push back your seat as far back as possible, and then take out your regular stock carpeting. Pull it out. With your area clear, it's now time to place in WeatherTech's floor mat. On the driver's side, we do have the snap-ins, so you'll just line up the mat and press in. You're gonna get it underneath the pedals, line up, snap into place. Once both are snapped in, it's time to move on to the other side. The passenger side is just like the driver's. Place your seat as far back as possible and take your stock carpeting and pull it out and place it to the side. On the passenger side, there's no retention clips, so WeatherTech includes some to place in. You just want to snap them in place and get a screwdriver or something that's the second one. And these little spikes will actually grip into your carpet so this won't slide around when you're stepping in or out of your truck. And just line up the mat. Press in. Good to go. With your floor liners properly installed, it's time to reposition your seat. Place your seat back. And that's going to wrap up my install of WeatherTech's DigitalFit front liners. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.